What if you could start earning online without hiring expensive freelancers? For over 30 years, Worldprofit.com has been helping everyday people build real income from home. And now, with powerful AI tools built right into your member area, what used to take weeks and cost thousands can happen in minutes. No coding, no tech overwhelm, no expensive outsourcing. AI helps you launch faster, create products and services easily, work smarter with AI efficiency, turn ideas into profit quickly. No tech overwhelm, just click and go. Create professional ebooks with Ebook Genie. Build stunning websites with Website Plus. Design logos with Logo Creator. Transform ordinary photos into professional headshots with AI Photo Booth. Launch modern blogs without WordPress using Modern Blog. And master social media with the Social Marketing Academy and Sophia the AI Strategist. Everything you need to start is here. To start your side hustle is already waiting inside your Worldprofit member area. Just log in, click AI in the top menu, and start exploring. What will you create? Worldprofit. Start free today. Log into your Worldprofit member area now and discover the tools that turn your ideas into real, profitable income streams.